next to me.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Lake CA, beginning at 11:42 a.m. and ending at 12:42 p.m. This is a mandatory evacuation notice for the Highway 20 area east of New Long Valley Road to the Lake Colusa County line, including residents with driveway access on the south side of Highway 20. All residents are advised to evacuate immediately. Shelters have been established at Mountain Vista Middle School in Kelseyville. This includes the Landrum Ranch and Double Eagle community. Leave immediately.